Credit cards. Are they evil plastic rectangles tempting us into debt? Or are they secret weapons for building wealth? The answer, my friend, is a bit of both. Credit cards, when used wisely, can be your ticket to free flights, fancy dinners, and cashback galore. The key here is wisely, a word often lost in the excitement of a good sale. All those everyday expenses, usually paid with boring old cash or debit cards, can be transformed into opportunities to earn rewards. But, and this is a big but, the minute you start treating your credit card like free money and overspend, you're falling into a debt trap. So how do we play the credit card game and win? Read on, my friend, read on. Let's talk about the power of small things. You know, that daily latte, your weekly grocery run, your monthly Netflix subscription. Individually, they might seem like insignificant expenses. But imagine earning points or cash back on each purchase. Suddenly, that $5 latte is contributing to a free flight. That grocery haul is shaving off dollars at the pump. See, it's not about spending more, it's about spending smarter. Just remember, stick to your budget. Overspending to chase points is like running on a treadmill. You're putting in the effort but getting nowhere. Mastering the credit card game is all about strategy. First things first, know your cards. Each card has its own personality, its own quirks, and most importantly, its own reward system. Got a card that offers bonus points on dining? Guess what? Date night just got a whole lot more rewarding. Is there a card in your arsenal that gives you cash back on gas? Road trip, anyone? By understanding the strengths of each card, you can optimize your spending and maximize those sweet, sweet rewards. Think of it as diversifying your reward portfolio. Keep track of your spending and due dates to avoid those pesky interest charges. Points, miles, and cashback. Oh my, choosing the right rewards. Walking into the world of credit card rewards can feel like entering a candy store. So many choices, so much potential for free stuff. But before you grab the first shiny offer that catches your eye, let's break down the different types of rewards and find your perfect match. First up, we have the Cashback Kings. You spend, you earn a percentage back, no strings attached. Then there are the Travel Points cards, the jet setters of the rewards world. They offer points redeemable for flights, hotel stays, and even travel experiences. And finally, we have the Flexible Points cards, the multitaskers of the rewards universe. Outsmart the system, your guide to guilt-free rewards. In this part, we will delve into the art of mastering credit card rewards without falling into the trap of debt. It's all about being smart, strategic, and disciplined. Ready to become a credit card ninja, a master of rewards without the debt drama? Imagine being able to enjoy all the perks and benefits that come with credit cards, without the stress of high interest rates and mounting debt. It's not just a dream, it's entirely possible with the right approach. Here's your cheat sheet to outsmart the system and make those credit card companies work for you, not the other way around. By following these tips, you can maximize your rewards and minimize your costs, turning the tables in your favor. First and foremost, pay your balance in full every month. This is the golden rule of using credit cards responsibly. By doing so, you avoid the pitfalls of interest charges and keep your financial health in check. By paying your balance in full, you avoid interest charges, which are the silent killers of any rewards you earn. Interest charges can quickly erode the value of any points or cash back you accumulate, so it's crucial to stay on top of your payments. Track your spending like a hawk eyeing its prey. This means keeping a close watch on every transaction and ensuring that you stay within your budget. Use apps or tools to help you monitor your expenses and stay disciplined. Choose your cards wisely, like you're assembling a team of superheroes. Each card should have a specific purpose and a killer rewards program that aligns with your spending habits. Don't just go for the flashy offers. Make sure the card fits your lifestyle and financial goals. Each card should have a specific purpose and a killer rewards program that aligns with your spending habits. For example, if you travel frequently, a card with travel rewards and no foreign transaction fees would be ideal. If you spend a lot on groceries, look for a card that offers high cash back in that category. Stay grounded, stick to your budget, and remember, those rewards are just the cherry on top of your already awesome financial journey. The key is to view rewards as a bonus, not a reason to overspend. By maintaining a budget and using credit cards strategically, you can enjoy the benefits without the drawbacks. Regularly review your credit card statements to ensure there are no errors and to keep track of your spending. This will help you stay on top of your finances and catch any discrepancies early. Finally, don't forget to redeem your rewards. Whether it's cash back, travel points, or other perks, make sure you take advantage of the benefits you've earned. After all, you've worked hard to outsmart the system, so enjoy the fruits of your labor. By following these tips, you can become a true credit card ninja, enjoying guilt-free rewards and maintaining a healthy financial life. Remember, it's all about being smart, strategic, and disciplined. Happy rewarding!